What's up, guys? It is springtime, and that can only mean one thing. I'm going to give you guys some discount codes. You guys can get your fertilizers, your backpack sprayers, everything you're going to need to get that fabulous lawn. So really, the only thing that you guys need to do is just head down to the description box and click on the links that I have provided you. There's one that's going to take you to the GrowForge products, one that is going to take you to PetraTools for the backpack sprayers. Starting with the GrowForge products, you're going to be using discount code BACKWOODS22. All you have to do is type it into the discount box, the coupon box, on site at checkout. And that is site-wide, whatever you see on the site that you want, this will apply. You guys are going to get 5% off, and that should help you out for the beginning of the lawn season. Now for the second discount code is going to be for the PetraTools line for your backpack sprayers, pump sprayers, and a whole line of other products that you guys will find useful in your yard this year. So you're going to get 10% off. All you have to do is type in Backwoods10 at checkout and you'll be taken care of. You'll get your 10% off, you'll be happy, and you'll have a great lawn season. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little thing that I could do for you. I try and always give you guys discounts when applicable, and I hope you enjoy it and appreciate it, because I appreciate you guys. All right, this has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.